喂喂喂喂，聽唔聽到啊？各位觀眾，聽唔聽到？請問聽唔聽到？咁咧今日咧就遲咗少少，因為啲技術上面嘅問題。咁咧頭先就唔知點解上唔到網，咁而家終於上到啦。聽到？請問聽唔聽到？咁咧應該聲音嗰邊冇問題啦。咁歡迎大家咧收睇我哋嘅Freedom 嘅節目啦。咁我哋一路睇 Life is Strange 一路學英文啦。咁今日咧遲咗少少啦，因為頭先啲技術嘅問題嘅，咁而家解決咗啦。咁咧現場時間咧而家係11:46。咁都係一個好事嚟嘅。咁點解咧？就係因為通常咧11點半、11點7、11點8啦，乃至都冇乜人嘅，唔知點解。咁咧我都唔知咩，我都理解唔到係咩問題。咁但係咁今日遲啲啦，咁試下睇下啲人數咧會唔會就穩定啲。咁咧，因為通常都去到搭9度咧，先至開始齊啲人嘅。頭3個字即係都未入晒嚟嘅，啲人都係坐着啦。咁今日睇下會唔會齊人啲啦，好唔好？咁咧上回提要咧就講到邊度咧就唔係喎，唔記得講。咁收睇我哋嘅方法咧，就係每晚11點半啦，就喺 Facebook 嗰度咧我哋就會直播嘅。咁一路睇 Life is Strange 一路學英文啦。咁然之後揾我哋嘅方法就係你喺 Facebook 嗰度就打我哋個名啦，我哋個名就係你而家見到嗰個啦，English Lesson for Freedom 啊。跟住就如果你要去我哋 YouTube 嗰度 YouTube 就係淨係睇重播嘅啫。同埋 YouTube 係冇咁多嘢睇嘅，因為 Facebook 咧先係我哋嘅主要嗰個地方嚟嘅。咁咧 Facebook 只係有少量嘅嘢咧，我哋會擺唔係講錯 YouTube 啊。我哋只係有少量嘅嘢咧，我哋會擺翻上 YouTube 嗰度咧，就有重播，就方便大家重溫嘅啫，純粹係。咁咧，而你揾我哋咧，一定咧就要去 Facebook 嘅。哪怕你揾我哋嘅 YouTube 咧，你都要先去我哋個 Facebook 先嘅，因為 YouTube 暫時係 search 唔到我哋嘅。咁但係 Facebook 咧應該如無意外係會 search 得到我哋嘅。咁你去到我哋個 page 之後咧，咁置頂嗰個 post 你見到有條 YouTube link 㗎啦，咁你就揾得到我哋嗰個 YouTube channel 㗎啦，就係咁樣樣。咁咧今日咧，因為我哋遲咗成15分鐘開始咧，咁就唔好講咁多嘢啦。我哋不如開波啦，好唔好啊？咁咧上回提要咧就係講到阿 Max 咧就即係佢呢個咩啊觀而不察啊，阿 Max 係。咁咧就係明明咧，阿 David 嗰啲 file 咧就話咧，即係其實我哋有理由相信咧，應該咁講，就係咧阿 David 咧憑阿 David 嗰啲 file，我哋可以咧相信咧就係 David 其實係個好人嚟都唔定嘅。咁咧但係咧，尋日咧當佢阿 Chloe 啦同埋阿 David 啦鬧大交嘅時候咧，咁阿 Max 咧就唔知點解咧一股腦兒咁樣咧，一股腦兒咧係咩中文嚟？我細個學過。咁一股腦兒咁樣咧就走咗去就係鬧埋阿 David 一份，咁卒之咧就搞到咧佢哋屋企就炒大鑊啦，就係咁。
Listen, when I went through David's laptop, I found pictures of Rachel and Frank.
Went through 即係 go through 啦，意思即係睇啦，即係檢查啦。當我咧檢查咧阿 David 嗰部電腦嘅時候咧。I found pictures of Rachel and Frank。咁咧我就見到咧就係有啲相咧就係有阿 Rachel 同埋阿 Frank 喺埋一齊。
Being more than friends.
Being more than friends。咁咧friends 就係 friends 啦。咁咧佢哋就係 more than friends。咁咧就係佢哋兩個就 being more than friends。咁嘅意思就係哇，好似佢兩個唔係朋友咁簡單喎。
Right, no way, Max. She was just posing to tease Frank.
Posing 咧就係扮啦 ，tease 咧通常嘅意思就係即係擠人哋笑啊咁嘅意思啦。咁佢只係扮咧就氹阿 Frank 開心嘅啫。我呢個有少少意譯㗎，呢句係。
You're not gonna believe me? Why don't we check out what Frank has in his RV?
咁如果你唔信我嘅話咧，喂，咁點解我哋唔去啊？就係去 check 下咧，就係阿 Frank。What Frank has？What Frank has 啦，就係阿 Frank 佢有啲乜嘢啦。咁喺邊度 check 啊？就喺阿 Frank 嗰個 RV 嗰度。RV 係咩嚟嘅咧？就係咧嗱，我哋而家見到咧就係而家畫面最左邊咧咪有個窗口嘅。我睇下嗱，就係呢啲啦，就係呢啲啦。嗱，呢啲咁樣嘅車啊。OK， 呢啲咁樣又係車又係屋嚟噶嘛？呢啲咁樣嘅工具咧就係叫 RV 啊。咁樣英文咧就係叫做recreation recreational vehicle 啊，呢啲就係叫做咁係啲我唔肯定英國有冇，但係好美國嘅呢啲係英國都可能有，我唔肯定，我唔知。
Frank has in his RV.
What's that gonna prove?
即係呢啲 RV 係咩嚟嘅？即係啲人係住喺裏邊，即係有啲人係住喺呢啲咁樣嘅地方嗰度，有好多呢啲人。
Frank has Rachel's bracelet. What else does he have in there?
Motherfucker better not have anything. For his sake.
For his sake 嘅意思咧就係、如果意譯啊，就係、佢最好佢就乜都唔好有。咁咧 for his sake 咧就我都唔好理啊呢個字，我譯唔翻個字面嘅意思俾你，我只能夠意譯到俾你聽嘅。
Better not have anything. For his sake. Let's check the door. Frank gets so wasted he sometimes forgets to lock it.
Wasted 我哋又見過9萬次嘅啦，係咩意思啊 ？Wasted 嘅意思就係飲醉酒啦。咁咧，佢有陣時咧，阿 Frank 咧係會醉到點咧？就係、醉到咧，佢連門都唔鬼記得鎖㗎。
Sometimes forgets to lock it.
屌！呢部 RV 原來咪就係阿 Frank 嗰部 RV 嚟咯。唔好意思，我留意唔到。
I can't believe you hung out with him.
Not anymore.
嗱，哼鳩咧就同佢玩啦。我唔能夠相信咧，你以前咧係同阿 Frank 呢度粉腸玩嘅。
Can't believe you hung out with him.
Not anymore.
Not anymore 啦，你大家明啦。冇
We
再
have to
同
be
佢
casual ninjas here.
呢度我覺得幾得意嘅。嗱，呢度又係只可以意譯俾你聽。嗱 ，we have to be casual ninjas。嗱，我講咗字面先 ，casual 大家識啦，OK。ninjas 就忍者啦。咁咧，我哋需要咧做一個casual 嘅忍者嘅，今次係。咁咧，我覺得嗰個真正意思係啲咩咧？就係嗱，咁你照字面解點解都解唔通嘅。如果我意譯咗佢嘅話咧，咁個意思我覺得係就係、我哋扮晒冇嘢咁 ，OK， 即係唔使靜靜雞嘅，我哋扮晒冇嘢咁樣樣試下開條門睇下點。
Casual ninjas here. Shitballs. Okay, here's the plan. I'll go to the diner and distract Frank by telling him I have his money, but he needs to come with me. Then you come in and rewind so Frank doesn't see me. Then you can tell Frank he needs to check out his RV, and then you rewind after you get the key, and
啱啊！我唔知佢啱啊！你聽，我哋試下解下佢講咩。我懷疑佢自己講乜。OK 嗱，咁佢話佢有個 plan 啦。咁個 plan 咧就係啲咩？就係、go to the diner。diner 就係餐廳啦。我哋第唔知幾多次學㗎啦已經。我入去餐廳嗰度，然之後我就 distract Frank， 我就會負責就係、去分散阿 Frank 嘅注意力嘅。點樣分散佢注意力法咧？就係、by telling him I have his money。咁咧分散佢注意力方法咧就係、我話俾佢聽，就係佢要嘅錢，即係因為有 Chloe 爭佢錢㗎嘛，係咪？咁咧阿 Frank 要嘅錢，即係我爭你嘅錢，我已經準備好啦。但係 but he needs
and distract Frank by telling him I have his money, but he needs to come with me.
but he needs to come with me。咁但係咧，佢就需要咧跟住我，佢先至攞到啲錢嘅。OK， 咁呢個就係成個所謂 distract 佢嘅方法啦，所謂分散佢注意力嘅方法就係使開佢啦。咁啊 distract 唔係分散佢，使開佢係呢一度嘅意思，係使開佢啦。OK。
Come in and rewind so Frank doesn't see me.
Then you come in and rewind。咁咧，然之後你呢個時候你就入嚟啦。入嚟邊度咧？佢係咪想講？我唔知佢呢度指緊啲咩喎。咁咧，總之你呢個時候就唔知去邊度啦。然之後 rewind 咧就倒帶啦。So Frank doesn't see me。咁咧，如果你呢個時候入嚟再倒帶嘅話咧，咁阿 Frank 咧咪見唔到我咯。Then you can tell Frank。
You can tell Frank he needs to check out his RV, and then you rewind after you get the key.
咁咧你就話俾阿 Frank 聽咧，就係佢需要咧翻去睇下佢自己嗰部 RV 嘅喎，佢自己嗰部車嘅喎。咁咧 ，and then you rewind after you get the key。咁當你攞到條鎖匙之後咧，你就可以咧就倒帶翻去啦。And
Chloe, I got this.
嗱好，我想講啲咩？我真心覺得 Chloe 係唔知自己講乜嘅。我哋已經逐句解，慢慢咁樣睇佢講咩㗎啦。我哋係解唔通㗎嘛，即係每一句説話好似噏到啲嘢出嚟，但係就唔知噏乜㗎嘛。咁其實我相信 Chloe 都唔知自己講乜嘅。OK。跟住然之後阿 Max 就答翻佢咧 得啦，阿 Chloe，我明㗎啦，I'll be right back。你等我一陣啦，我陣間翻嚟㗎啦會。
Got this. I'll be right back.
Don't let my epic plan get in the way of yours.
嗱，咁佢而家呢下認啦，OK，即係佢呢一句對白咧，我覺得印證咗我嘅估計係啱嘅，就係 Chloe 頭先自己都唔知自己講乜嘅。Don't let my epic plan get in the way of yours. Get in the way 就係我哋好似早兩日係咪講個小朋友話有條大蛇擋路嗰個 post 我哋咪學過咯。Get in the way 即係攔住啦，攔路咁上下意思啦。咁咧千祈唔好俾我嘅 epic plan，唔好俾我嘅大計咧去阻住 of yours。yours 係咩？就係你嘅大計。哎呀，阿 Max，你唔好俾我嘅大計咧阻住你嘅大計啊！或者我咁樣講啦，唔好譯做阻住啦。阻住係字面意思，但係意譯咗佢嘅話就係、你唔好俾我嘅大計影響你嗰個大計啊！咁言下之意即係咩啊？就係、阿 Max 你想點做就跟你意思去做啦，你唔使理我啦。
I'll try to scrounge up a Scooby snack to distract his mangy mutt.
咁啊，I try to scrunch， 我睇下佢個字先，我驚讀錯。
And get in the way of yours. I'll try to scrounge up a Scooby.
Scrunch up，咁啊，I try to scrunch up a Scooby snack 啦。Scooby snack 咧，我懷疑係狗糧嚟嘅，我唔知咩嚟嘅其實，因為 snack 點就係零食啦，Scooby snack 可能係俾狗食嘅零食啦。咁咧就係 to distract his mangy mutt。mangy mutt 就係咩咧？就係、咁乜我哋好似見過喎，乜係咪就係嗰啲狗咁解啦？即係啲唔好嘅，即係我哋廣東話都有噶嘛，就係、衰狗啦，OK 衰狗啦。mangy 咧就係我哋一定學過呢個字嘅，見過嘅就係講緊阿 Frank 嗰隻狗咧，即係隻好 mangy 嘅狗。mangy 就係成身都係嗰啲皮膚病啊，有癬，有啲點講咧？有啲爛啊！嗰個字點樣讀啊？嗰個廣東話係爛定係爛啊？蚊爛個爛係爛咯，即係成身都生晒一粒粒定唔知點啦，有皮膚病嘅嗰隻咁嘅衰狗啦。咁咧我就去scrunch up 啦。咁嗰個我就唔識嗰個字點讀添，我俾你聽多次先。
Epic plan get in the way of yours. I'll try to scrounge up a Scooby.
Scrunch 咧就係去揾咯，去立咯，即係總之去揾啦，去立啦。我就去揾啲狗糧啦，就去 distract 嗰隻衰狗啦。
To distract his mangy mutt.
Now to find a quick and easy way to snag Frank's keys.
咁咧而家咧就要咧揾個辦法咧，就係去 snag 阿 Frank 嗰條鎖匙啦，嗰條車匙啦。OK， 咁咧 snag 嘅意思就係啲咩咧？就係、嗱，通常咧咁你攞嘢咁你咪可能 get 咯，或者 catch 咯。咁咧 snag 咧都係 catch 啊 get 啊嗰啲同一個意思，差唔多意思，即係唔係同一個意思講多次，差唔多意思嘅。snag 嘅呢隻就係立啊，如果做廣東話就係咁立係點樣？嗱，立同攞係唔同噶嘛。咁你任何拎嘢嘅動作都係叫攞噶嘛。但係立係咩意思啊？立係好快噶嘛，嗰下嘢係一咁啊搶嗰啲嘢過嚟就為之立啊嘛。咁 snag 咧就係立咁解啦。OK。
Look at all these flyers. It's so sad that nobody will read them.
佢老豆喎，咁咧就話咩阿 Max 啦 ，Pop here，Pop 就係阿爸爸咁解啦。I'm sorry I haven't gotten in touch soon 啦。咁咧就哎呀，真係唔好意思啦 ，Max。咁咧我就冇即係呢排都冇揾你咁啦。I know you're upset, but your mum and I know you did everything you could to save that girl。咁咧我知你而家都好唔開心噶啦，但係咧你老母同埋我咧都知咧，就係你當時咧 you did 啊，當時咧你能力範圍做到嘅嘢咧，你都做晒咧去幫嗰個女仔噶啦。咁咧 some things are just out of control。唉，有陣時咧，即係人世間嘅事係咁噶啦，都唔輪到我哋控制噶啦。咁咧 and if you want to come back home now to relax and maybe go to a high school around here。The door is wide open。咁咧，如果咧你想翻嚟屋企啦，因為你知道咧就係阿 Max 咧就係佢唔知搬咗去邊度住噶嘛。咁佢而家自己一條友就翻嚟 Arcadia Bay 呢度讀書啫嘛，只係為咗上 Mr. Jefferson 嘅堂。咁佢屋企人可能就住喺個遠少少嘅地方，唔知喺邊啊，冇估真係冇交代過嘅。咁你想翻嚟屋企咧，隨時都可以翻嚟㗎，甚至你係翻嚟讀書咧都冇問題㗎。The door is wide open 啦，就係 就係、廣東話都會好似咁講嘅，條門係隨時為你打開㗎啦。OK。咁啊，thanks Pop 啦，多謝你啦，爸爸。It's been intense here, but I'm not ready to come home。咁咧 intense 咧有幾個意思嘅，如果照字面解啦 intense 咧就係緊張咁解啦。但係咧 intense 咧係啲好鬼仔鬼妹好口語嘅字嚟，通常又好開心啊、好正啊都為之 intense 嘅。咁 it has been intense 啦，我想你學 has been 啦。it has been intense 係咩意思咧？就係、perfect 啦，嗰個時間係 perfect 嘅時間，即係咩意思啊？以前到而家啊嘛。言下之意即係咩？就係由阿 Max 翻嚟 Arcadia Bay 到而家呢剎那為止，呢段時間入邊咧，阿 Max 都覺得好 intense 嘅，阿 Max 都覺得好開心、好正嘅喺度生活係。咁咧，所以就係、我唔翻屋企啦，咁 talk later 啦，咁拜拜條尾啦，就係咁啦，得啦，飛啊！
Good morning. How are the fish today?
Don't.
嗱，留意下，你好細心觀察，你係好多嘢學㗎。How are the fish today？ 嗱，如果你英文直覺好嘅話咧，呢一個位你有可能會覺得奇怪。嗱，如果英文直覺係超好嘅，呢個位你係唔會奇怪嘅。你英文直覺如果唔好嘅，你都係會覺得呢個位係唔奇怪嘅。如果你英文直覺係好 ，OK 嗱，唔好唔奇怪。超好都唔奇怪，但係英文直覺好嘅話，呢個位係會奇怪喎。How are the fish today？ 點解呢個位會奇怪咧？就係好啦 ，the fish 咁係單數定眾數啊？咁咪單數咯 ，fish 啊嘛，係咪？咁如果係單數嘅話，個動詞冇理由係用 are 嘅喎，因為 are 係一個複數嘅動詞嚟噶嘛。好啦，我而家開估啦，答案係啲咩咧？答案就係咧 ，the fish 咧其實係複數嚟嘅。咦？點解咁奇怪？點解呢個係複數嚟嘅？因為咧 fish 係一隻好得意嘅字嚟嘅。佢單數嘅時候啊，我哋可以講 a fish 係啱嘅，冇問題嘅。咁咧，而 fish 嘅複數咧唔係加 s 喎，唔係 fishes 喎。嗱，當然你可以講 fishes 嘅係 OK 冇問題嘅，但係佢嘅複數有兩個版本嘅。咁第一個版本就係 fishes 啦，冇乜人用嘅。第二個版本就係最常用嘅版本咧，就係就咁樣講個 fish 呢個字。fish 呢個字同時亦都係 fish 嘅複數咯，即係 fish 已經係加咗 s 噶啦。你當呢個字已經係加咗 s， 已經係複數嚟㗎啦。呢個字係咁，換言之係咧 fish 嘅單數同埋複數咧都係同一個樣嘅，一模一樣嘅個樣係。咁咧，因此咧嗰個動詞咧就係用複數嘅 are 啦。How are the fish today？ 咁咧呢度我想講就係咁啊，一開咁啊解翻之前啦，點解會咁奇怪嘅嗱？如果你英文直覺唔好嘅，咁你咪睇完咪算咯，觀而不察啊嘛，咁啊等於冇學過嘢咯。咁英文直覺超好嘅，咁你本身已經知道咧 fish 呢個字本身已經係複數啦。咁 how are the fish 對你嚟講係絕對冇問題嘅。如果英文直覺係好嘅，你純粹英文直覺係好啫，你未必知 fish 係複數嚟噶嘛？呢個字係咁你咪可能會輕輕地記喺呢個位。咁如果你有疑惑嘅時候，你查一查，咁你會學到好多嘢。你學到哦，原來 fish 嘅複數係 fishes 又得 fish 又得。咁啊，通常啲人咧就係叫做 fish 咁啊，學咗好多啲古靈精怪嘢。咁咧呢啲我覺得係學習嘅重點嚟嘅。
Fish today.
Don't ask. First the snow, then an eclipse. What's next? A tornado?
You don't think it could be like climate change or something?
Climate sure has changed around here. Just saw that Prescott brat having a fit by himself in the parking lot.
Is it?
咁咧你留意下呢個男人講嘢好得意，啲英文咧好難聽嘅，因為咧好得意，鬼佬係咁嘅，好得意嘅。我哋由細到大我哋原則上理論上要學嗰種英文咧，就係喺鬼佬世界咧係一啲受過教養啲嘅英文嚟嘅，所謂嗱理論上我哋學嘅英文係所謂喺鬼佬世界受過教養嘅英文啊。咁咧喺鬼佬世界度咧就係唔同人咧講嘢咧你同佢講嘢，你聽到佢教育程度約莫係有幾高㗎。咁咧，譬如呢個人啲英文咧，對於我哋嚟講係難聽啲嘅。咁因為我哋好唔習慣嘅，你聽佢講嘢。
Prescott brat having a fit by himself in the parking lot.
即係冇阿 Max 嗰啲講得咁清楚噶嘛。嗱，呢個清楚係相對而言嘅，對我哋嚟講可能唔清楚，對鬼佬嚟講咧一般都冇乜大問題嘅。咁咧 佢啲英文係對我嚟講難聽啲啦。咁呢一類呢啲咁樣嘅英文咧，就通常就係佢嘅教育程度係比較冇咁高㗎。呢啲人係。咁當然啦，你可能話啦，就係少唔係喎，有啲唔知咩博士講嘢我聽唔明喎，係我明。咁唔好轉落去啦，呢個一轉又好深㗎。咁我想講咩？咁呢個咧，Nathan 咧就係Nathan 咧就係 having a fit by himself in the parking lot。咁 parking lot 就係泊車嗰啲地方啦。咁喺停車場嗰度咧，Nathan 咧就 have a fit。咩或者一個 have a fit 咧就係佢發蚊疹。OK， 佢自己發自己蚊疹喺停車場嗰度。
Parking lot。
咁啊 just saw 啦，就啱啱佢見到咧喺停車場啦。咁個停車場咧，我諗咧就係指呢間餐廳隔離嘅停車場啊。因為我哋見到就係阿 Frank 嗰架車就泊咗喺隔離嘅啫嘛。OK， 咁咧呢個漁夫咧就見到就係Nathan 嗰條友咧啱啱就可能泊咗個車喺呢一度啦，跟住然之後佢自己唔知點解發咩脾氣啦，發蚊症啦。
Isn't he always having a fit?
喂，乜佢唔係咧 ？Isn't he always having a fit？ 乜佢唔係咧成日都發蚊症嘅咩？條粉腸。
You ain't the only one. You knew what was going on with the fish around Arcadia Bay. Sorry, I'm too pissed to talk.
呢個幾得意啊呢一句。咁咧 ，he ain't the only one。咁 ain't 呢啲字我都唔識用啊，因為 ain't 係睇書好點講唔係睇書，你口語啲啦，口語啲，同埋通常啊嗱，我有機會錯嘅，我有機會錯，但我接觸嘅英文就好少見到 ain't 呢啲咁樣嘅字，因為 ain't 咧係啲好可能係教育程度冇咁高嘅人咧會講多啲嘅呢啲英文係。咁我唔知啊，我可能我自己少見啫，我唔識用呢個字我都。咁即 he is not the only one 啦，簡單講就係。咁咧佢唔係咧唯一一個咧會成日發脾氣嘅人啊。咁啊再加埋後半句咯喎 ，If you knew what was going on with the fish around Arcadia Bay， 咁咧就係如果咧你知道嗱，呢個知道好得意㗎，係 new 啊，係 new 就係咩意思啊？你原本就知道咯。如果你知道嗱，即係呢度得意。如果你本身就知道。Arcadia Bay 咧嗰啲魚發生啲咩事嘅話咧，咁咧你就知道咧就係阿 Nathan 咧唔係唯一一個咧發蚊疹嘅人啊，咁樣樣。
Sorry, I'm too pissed to talk about it.
唉，唔好意思啊，講起呢啲咧就冇心機啦。I'm too pissed to talk about it. I'm too sad to talk about it. 都得 pissed 就可能你少用啲，咁 sad 你中意啦，你識啦。OK，I'm too sad to talk about it 就係。唉，講起就唔開心啊！成句學咗佢呢個講得幾好啊
Kid.
Good morning. How are the fish today?
Don't ask. First the snow, then an eclipse. What's next? A tornado?
I heard that something bad was happening to the fish in Arcadia Bay.
Well, since you mentioned it first, there ain't no fish in Arcadia Bay.
What? Come on. None?
None worth catching and eating anymore. I'm not shitting you. Salmon, trout, bass have died and migrated.
Salmon 啦 ，salmon 就係三文魚啦，大家知啊。Trout 係我唔知乜 Q 嘢魚喎，唔知。Bass 咧應該我唔知我哋食唔食到嘅喎，sea bass 係食唔食到啊？喺華人地方係嗰啲好似鱸魚嗰啲係叫 bass 啊。Anyway 啦，呢啲總之啲魚啦，呢啲魚嘅名啦。咁咧 have died and migrated， 咁咧佢哋又死咗啦，同埋又唔知遊晒邊度啦。
The damn clams are dying.
Oh my god.
Clam 知唔知係咩啊 ？Clams 知唔知係咩 ？Clams 係嗰啲有殼嗰啲咧，即係類似啲蜆啊嗰啲啊。嗱咁咧因為我真係唔知中文係咩，因為中文咧我去街市買餸咧係成日次啲名都唔同喎，又絲堪又蜆，有陣時又叫做螺。我當然我知螺同蜆係有啲唔同啦個樣，即係有好多名啊嘛，同埋我都唔記得咗街市有啲咩名。我買親次都唔 Q 同嘅啲名，咁我唔知嗰啲呢啲叫咩啊？嗰啲蜆嗰啲咧好多名噶嘛， 有好多隻唔同花款，每隻唔同花款有個唔同嘅名嘅喎，街市係我都唔識。
And the damn clams are dying.
Oh my god. But what about.
Sorry, just too salty to talk about it.
好嗱 ，too salty to talk about it，即係咩意思啊？即係 too 頭先話 too pissed to talk about it 啫嘛。OK，咁今次係 too salty to talk about it。salty 同埋 sad 同埋 pissed 係一樣意思嘅，即係都係唔開心。點解？唉，講起就唔開心，唔講啦。
You're out, kid.
See you around， 下次啊，得閒再傾啦，又下次見啦，咁樣意思。
Good lord. Bacon. I'm ready to nosh again.
咁咧一入到嚟啦，就聞到啲煙肉嘅香味啦。鬼佬好中意食煙肉嘅，唔知點解。咁咧 I'm ready to nosh again。好啦 ，again。咁佢啱啱食完嘢啊嘛，咁而家就 again 即係又咩啊？又食咯。nosh 個意思咪即係另外一隻字講個 eat 字咯，即係 nosh eat 係同一隻字嚟嘅。
But I need to get those keys from Frank.
咁啊 Warren 咧就 send message 俾佢，就話 OK，it's officially sold out。咁咧，哎呀嗰啲飛咧就即係正式就賣晒啦。But 咁但係 but 啲咩咧 ？I managed to get us both tickets。咁咧但係咧 manage 咧我好似上次都講過㗎。manage 咧就係經過一番努力先至得到就為之 manage。咁咧。幾經辛苦咧，我就 get us both tickets 啦，我就攞到咧，我哋即係每人一張戲飛啦。咁咧 had to fight a dozen bullies for them 度。咁咧嗰個 apostrophe em 咧就係 them 啦 them 啦，應該 for them 嗱，如果就咁讀咧就 for 跟住 m 黐埋一齊讀就 for them。咁啊冇咗個 th 音嘅。咁咧 I had to fight a dozen bullies。咁咧我就需要咧就係for them 做，但係咧就做就但係啦。for them 即係 for the tickets 咁解啦。咁啊為咗嗰啲咁樣嘅死人飛咧，我頭先咧就要咧就打實啲粉腸先得啊！要打咩 freaking nerds， 即係我唔知最尾佢講。總之佢要打人一身咧先至攞到啲飛啦。咁睇下阿 Max 佢點講啊？阿 Max 係唔睬佢。
You show up after almost shooting me? You have serious balls, little girl. But hanging out with Chloe, playing with guns, and dressing like Rachel doesn't make you cool or tough. The fuck do you want?
幾得意佢呢句對話。
Make you cool.
咁咧佢講咗幾樣嘢啦 ，OK。咁第一件事係 hanging out with Chloe 啦，大家明啦，同 Chloe 一齊玩啦。Playing with guns 啦，學人哋玩槍啦。And dressing like Rachel， 同埋一着衫着到好似 Rachel 咁樣咧，就 doesn't make you cool or tough， 就唔會令你個人咧型啲或者就係勁啲嘅。咁咧呢度我覺得得意嘅就係佢嗰個德神係有啲得意嘅。你嗰個德神啊，我唔敢話佢錯，因為佢係鬼佬嚟噶嘛，佢係鬼佬。我憑咩資格去話人哋英文錯咧？係咪？我母語又唔係英文，即係簡單講，如果鬥英文好嘅，我肯定唔夠呢個阿 Frank 好。咁咧，但係咧呢度係咁樣嘅喎。嗱，前面係三件事嚟噶嘛 ，hanging out、playing with 唔知乜、dressing 唔知乜嘢，咁三件事嚟噶嘛。咁個動詞係得神嘅喎，個動詞係得神嘅喎。咁我都唔知啊，我都唔知。但係可唔可以咁講咧？都可以咁講嘅，因為你可以咁樣理解嘅。你可以將呢三件事咧理解做變成一件事嘅。咁件事就係啲咩咧？就係你扮晒嘢咯，你扮晒嘢。咁扮晒嘢係一件事嚟嘅啫嘛。OK， 扮晒嘢就 doesn't make you cool or tough。OK， 咁你可以咁樣理解。如果你係咁樣理解嘅話咧，我覺得用 doesn't 咧都合理嘅。咁但係否則嘅話，如果係真係三件事，咁可能用 don't 咯。唔知啊，冇所謂啊，是但。
Doesn't make you cool or tough. The fuck do you want?
咁咧 the F do you want 啦 What the F do you want？個 what 字係冇講出嚟嘅，都係啦 ellipse 咗啦，省略咗啦。
Fuck do you want?
How do you know these are Rachel's clothes?
Because she looks beautiful in them and you look like ass. Aiming a gun doesn't make you any sexier.
Grab your keys and let's check out your RV.
Let's not. You fucking creep me out.
And
What the fuck now?
could I get you to drop Chloe's debt?
Are you supposed to be a smart student?
You'll find out if you do me this favor.
Thanks, godmother, but I don't need your favors. And Chloe doesn't get any from me.
Turn up the brain to 11, Max. How can you snag Frank's keys?
I could chug this beer, or dump it on Frank.
出個諗個意思咧就係、我諗咧就係咧係咁喺度戳嗰罐啤酒，戳到嗰罐啤酒咧啲泡咧爆晒出嚟咧，跟住噴落去阿 Frank 嗰度就係啲 truck。我覺得就係，因為我都唔知，我都唔知呢個我都唔知點。dump it on Frank 咧就係將個啤酒罐兜嘢掉落去阿 Frank 嗰度啦。
Beer is gross, so I just wanted to see what would happen if I did this.
I'm gonna kill you.
You eat like a pig. Try the floor.
I was eating those beans. Are you fucking insane? I was eating those beans. Ugh. Ugh.
Never mind me, officer. I'm just here to steal a drug dealer's keys.
How you doing, Maxine? I'm so sorry you had to be up there with Kate when she, just know that we're proud of you for going up there.
Thanks, Officer Barry. I know you guys deal with this stuff way more than me, but it is hard to deal with.
I'm glad you're representing Blackwell Academy.
I guess Kate Marsh will be the face of Blackwell for a while.
Such a waste. Awful.
I feel like David Madsen represents Blackwell.
Not for long. He's a loose cannon. We all respect him for his service, but he's too eager.
He's
咦停唔到㗎啱啱。咁he's a loose cannon 啦，嗱唔係 canon 啊 ，cannon 啊 ，cannon。咁咧佢係一個 loose cannon，loose cannon 嘅意思就係即係癲狗咁，即係佢都總之癲狗咁樣樣，佢係佢癲狗嚟，咁唔受控制嘅條友，咁就有啲 loose cannon 啦。咁咧，但係咧，我哋大家咧都好即係好感激啊，好多謝佢咧，好尊重佢咧。點樣譯好咧？好尊重佢嘅 service 啦，佢嘅 service 就係佢嘅保安 service 啦，即係好尊重咯，即係都敬重佢啲 service 做得咁好嘅，嗰啲保安做得咁好嘅。咁但係咧 ，he's too eager 咧通常就係你好渴望去做啲嘢咁樣解啦。嗱咁咧，佢 too eager， 你成日意會下佢講咩 ？OK 嗱，佢係一個不受控制嘅人，但係咧我哋個個咧都好 respect 佢做嘅嘢嘅。咁但係咧佢就 too eager 啦，佢做得太好啦，即係佢太上心啦，佢做嘢上心得滯啊！
Too eager.
He's eager to be a dick to me and Chloe.
That's true. He was ranting about a stolen gun, then I tuned out.
咁樣 ranting 咧就係即係發牢騷啦 ，OK。咁咧佢為咗一支咧唔見咗嘅槍，就係咁喺度狂發牢騷啦。執着係講緊邊度啊？執着邊度執着啊？哦 ，he's too eager， 好執佢太過哇，好好喎，喂，好好喎，超好喎。咁咧有網友咧就話咧呢個位咧 his surface but he's too eager。he's too eager 咧就係佢太執着啦，佢條友係咁，我覺得好好，非常之好嘅理解。咁睇下先啊。咁咧咁佢因為佢為咗失春而發牢騷啦。Then I tuned out。咁咧，然之後咧我就 tune out 咗。咁咩為之 tune out 咗咧？就係我唔鬼睬佢啦。
And then I tuned out. Somebody's always out to get him. What can I do for you, Max?
I thought Nathan Prescott represents Blackwell.
Well, don't make me backwash this bacon. You know what the Prescotts represent.
Backwash 咧就係嗱呢度嘅意思，咁當然就係嘔啦，嘔翻啲煙肉出嚟啦。你唔好搞到我嘔翻我食咗啲煙肉出嚟啊 ，Max。即係你話阿 Nathan 係代表你間學校嘅，你唔好令我嘔啦，你唔好令我反胃啦。咁咧 backwash 本身嘅意思就係啲咩？就 backwash 黐線 backwash 本身嘅意思係啲咩？就係嗱廣東話係冇呢一個詞語嘅，我只可以形容發生啲咩事俾你聽啫。嗱，咁你想象下，舉例譬如你杯啤酒啦 ，OK， 有杯啤酒，咁你飲啦，你唔好吞喎，你飲咗佢，跟住你飲完嗰啲啤酒，你掠翻出嚟，掠翻落去你原本嗰個啤酒嗰個杯嗰度，咁就係指 backwash 啦，呢下動作係啦。咁所以 backwash 就係總之簡單講就嘔翻啲 bacon 出嚟啦。咁咧 ，you know what the Prescotts represent？咁咧 the Prescotts 啦 ，the Prescotts 係有個 s 喺度嘅，咁即係話唔止一個人咁解啦，就可能指就係阿 Nathan 個老豆，阿 Nathan 個祖父，咁 Nathan 佢哋冚家族啦。你知道啊，阿 Nathan 佢哋嗰家族係代表啲咩㗎啦？喺呢個鎮嗰度。
Taking over Arcadia Bay?
做咩啊？佢哋係咪喺 Arcadia Bay 嗰度咧話晒事啊
You're not far wrong, Max.
？You are not far wrong. You are not too 嗱。如果你明咩叫 You are not far wrong 咧，咁你睇下 You are not too wrong，咁你明唔明啊 ？OK， 再唔明嘅話就 You are not wrong， 咁你明啦係嘛 ？You are not wrong 就係你冇錯啊。You are not far wrong 或者 You are not too wrong 就係你都唔係太錯，你都大致上都啱㗎啦，阿 Max。咁啊 I heard the Prescotts are working on some big land deals。咁我聽聞咧就係總之 Nathan 佢哋嗰家人啦，嗰啲家族生意啦，而家咧就唔知着手喺度唔知買緊地啩，可能係。
Prescotts are working on some new big land deals. Mr. Prescott helped out my family once a while ago, so I made a deal with him.
咁啊，原來咧Nathan 個爸爸啦，我哋相信係咁啊，曾經咧就係幫過呢個警察先生嘅屋企人一次嘅，即係可能幫咗佢個大忙啦。A while ago就係一排之前啦，即係前排啦或者咁咧。So I made a deal with him。咁啊，因此咧就咧我咧就應承咗咧Prescott 先生一啲嘢嘅。
That I can't seem to get out of.
唉，我而家都即係應承咗佢，我都冇辦法啦，都冇得都走唔甩㗎，應承人嚟就要做㗎啦。咁樣意思，我都唔知應承咗啲乜，佢冇講。
Man, if I could get one instant replay in life. I better finish my breakfast first.
咩有啲九唔搭八都有差佬講嘢，如果無啦啦又話唔知點樣幫佢啲屋企人，有冇講幫咩喎
What can I do for you, Max?
Well, I heard a rumor you were working for the Prescott family on the side.
Jesus, doesn't this town ever...
咁如果原來倒翻帶嘅時候咧，咁阿 Max 就可以即係憑住啲九唔搭八嘅線索咧，繼續喺度戳個差佬啊！咁樣就講翻啱啱嗰段説話俾個差佬聽啦。就話聽講你又幫即係你應承咗阿 Nathan 嘅老豆一啲嘢嘅喎。
Shut up. I don't blame you for getting extra work.
Look, sometimes I check up on the Prescott family to make sure they're doing all right.
咁啊 check up on 咧就係你其實學過嘅呢個字，但係你唔係喺 Life is Strange 嗰度學嘅，就係咧我哋之前咧講 Pokemon 嗰啲古仔嘅時候咧，咁有一集講地鼠咧，你都學過 check up on 嘅。check up on 咧就係你要點講咧？即係呢個警察先生咧，佢久唔久咧就要去Nathan 屋企嗰度啦，可能嘅意思係就去咧睇下，去視察下，去 去總之睇下啦，總之簡單講就睇下佢哋有冇病有冇痛，即係睇下佢哋屋企人係咪齊整，係咪正常，即係佢久唔久就要去做呢件事嘅。OK， 總之就係 check 下佢家人係咪冇問題，冇俾人打，冇俾人偷嘢。總之做私家保安啦，簡單啲講係呢個差佬要幫佢哋屋企人做。
Nathan included. Keep this quiet, Max.
Try interrogating somebody else, Lieutenant Caulfield.
interrogate 咗我哋琴日學過啦，就係咩啊？盤問啊，盤問啦，係啊，盤問。
What can I do for you, Max?
Do you think Arcadia Bay is a weird town?
I'd take a normal city with normal problems about now. Makes me sick thinking about it.
Looks tasty, but my need for keys comes first. Forgot about the Fishing Wall of Fame.
Rachel? Whatever the fuck. Oh, look. Max Amber. Nice outfit. By the way, thanks for getting me fucking expelled, you tweet bitch. You're lucky this is a public place.
Considering we're in a public diner with a police officer right over there, you shouldn't advertise your rage, Prescott.
Oh, yeah? You should.
Rachel 你有冇見過 Rachel 係憤怒啊？
Your rage, Prescott.
Oh, yeah? You shouldn't have bitch snitched on me to that fucked up principal.
好咁咧，嗱，發生喺阿 Nathan 同阿 Max 同埋校長三個人之間發生過一件事啫嘛。咁嗰件事就係啲咩啊？就係阿 Max 篤阿 Nathan 背脊啊嘛。OK，咁 snitch 嘅意思咪篤背脊咁樣意思咯。OK， 咁咁前面加多個 bitch 係冇意思嘅，總之篤佢背脊啦。
To that fucked up principal.
I bet you hoped that Kate Marsh would stay quiet.
Idiot says what?
Did you drug her?
You are so stupid, Max. You think you're so goddamn smart, too. Don't push me, girl. You don't want me for an enemy, understand? Do you?
Calm down, dude. We're in the diner.
Right. Plus, you're an adult now. I can sue your dumbass for libel.
libel 有冇見過啊？誹謗咁咧？喂，你而家係大人嚟㗎？聽講你而家18歲㗎咯喎。OK， 你係18歲啊嘛，咁我隨時可以告你誹謗，你個粉腸。
Now fuck off, Dyke.
你好中意學啲粗口字啊嘛。
Now fuck off.
Dyke 係咩意思？因為 Dyke 就係八婆嘅升級版，即係又唔係死八婆咁。嗱，嗰個字面啊，佢字面意思咧，如果我冇記錯咧，就好似咧就係講嗰啲女同性戀嘅人咧，就為之一個 dyke。咁但係通常當然唔會話人哋啊，你個女同性戀咁唔係咁解嘅。總之咧就係一個純粹一個鬧人嘅字嚟，但係好惡毒嘅，即係一講呢個字就開你波㗎啦，人哋就會。咁即係等於你廣東話你唔可以隨便講就係小人媽媽㗎嘛，即係唔可以立亂講㗎嘛。即係你講小人媽媽可大可小，人哋隨時開你波㗎嘛。你講低，我覺得都差唔多都開得波㗎啦。呢啲咁好勁嘅呢啲字。
Ike. Holy shit, what do you want now?
Your sugar daddy will always protect you and threaten me.
You don't know shit about my father or me. Nobody here does.
Then tell me what I should know.
Why? So you can pretend to care? Spoiler alert, he's an asshole.
Maybe I could help you.
I don't need you for anything except to stay out of my fucking business, understand? Now get out of my face. Holy shit, what do you want now?
Listen, Nathan. I'll take back everything I said about you. If you hook me up with Frank. Know what I mean?
You look like you've never even taken a hit of baby aspirin.
How do you think I stay wired all night studying? So is it a deal or not?
Calm down, hard up. Deal. You'll get your school supplies. Just go over to Frank and whisper higher education. He'll hook your ass up.
Holy shit, what do you want now?
I heard your dad hired a local cop to keep an eye out on you and Frank Bowers. Like a babysitter.
Bullshit. My dad doesn't hire. He owns. And these pigs know better than to narc on me.
咁啊 Max 就自己好醒啦。佢話：喂，我聽講咧就係、你老豆咧請咗個差佬嚟咧，就去看住你同埋阿 Frank 喎。點解會講埋阿 Frank？頭先個差佬有講阿 Frank 咩？咁總之佢老豆請咗個差佬啦。阿 Max 話就負責及住你個粉腸啦。咁咧，然之後咧，阿 Nathan 就串佢啦，就話收爹啦，咁啊 bull crap 啦，收爹啦。My dad doesn't hire， 咁你以為咧佢意思就係、我老豆都冇請過差佬，你以為佢係呢個意思，但係其實佢唔係喎。咁佢話咩 ？He owns， 佢根本成條警隊都係佢嘅人嚟嘅，都唔使請。
Hire. He owns. And these pigs know better than to narc on me.
Do they? I hope that means Frank won't get busted.
Eventually he will. Guy's into some freaky shit. He told me once he took a weird blood oath for Rachel. Forget I told you that. Seriously. Now get off my crack, whore. Keep your pie holes shut.
咁咧佢就唔知要講啲古靈精怪嘢，咁咧佢就話
Forget I
咁阿 Frank 咧就曾經咧話過俾阿 Nathan 聽咧，就話咧阿 Frank 同埋阿 Rachel 咧就曾經咧有一個blood oath 嘅 blood oath 咧，類似就係、即係點講咧？即係滴血，跟住然之後大家交換啲誓盟咁樣意思咯。我都唔知佢哋講乜。Forgot I told you that。咁啊，冇話俾佢聽，我講過俾你聽啊。
do that. Seriously. Now get off my crack, whore. Keep your pie holes shut. Are you fucking stupid? Get out of my space.
Holy shit, what do you want now?
Weren't you supposed to keep your mouth shut about the blood oath Frank took for Rachel?
Blood oath? Who? What the fuck? I never told anybody about that freaky shit. Besides, everybody knows Frank is a liar and a loser. Even Rachel did.
Yet Rachel Amber hung out with him more than you.
So, Rachel wanted Frank's stash.
Stash 我哋見過90次啊，就係佢收埋咗嘅嗰啲嘢啦，咁可能係講嗰啲私己錢啩。
Let him take pictures, then he carries around her photo like she posed for love. Dumbass.
Holy shit, what do you want now?
I bet Frank hooked you and Rachel Amber up with party supplies.
Nice try. Rachel partied like a fiend on her own.
Party 動詞嚟嘅呢一度係，即係阿 Rachel 落去即係去 party 玩嘅時候咧，就 like a fiend 啦。咁咧 fiend 嘅意思就係啲咩咧？就係、即係玩得好癲咁解啦。OK， 佢去 party 玩嘅時候咧，玩得好癲㗎，只用自己
More than me.
癲過我啊玩得。
I doubt that.
Like you would know, virgin. Even that pig over there knows Rachel hung out more with Frank. I mean, don't talk to the cop about that, dumbass.
What can I do for you, Max?
Nathan said that Rachel Amber represents Blackwell. With Frank Bowers.
Bowers ain't no student anymore. Sadly, he does represent one side of Arcadia Bay. I want you to stay out of his orbit, okay? Him and that rabbit mutt.
I heard
又係啦，嗰、個 rabbit 乜就係佢嗰隻狗啦。唉，
Him and that rabbit mutt.
I heard something about Frank Bowers and his puppy. My boy does love his dog.
Especially when the dog is your personal drooling bodyguard. You You can bet he trained that poor thing on blood.
Gross. I wouldn't bet. Where did he get the pup?
Frank used to bet on dog fights.
pup 啊狗啊 pup 啊，
The pup.
最尾嗰隻 pup 狗。
Frank used to bet on dog fights. Now, to his credit, he had a revelation. He saved a bunch of the dogs, kept one for himself. He's still a creep. You and that Chloe stay away, right?
What the fuck now?
You act so scary, but you did save all those dogs.
One, I'm not acting. Two, who told you about the dogs?
It's actually a great.
I'm not acting 咩意思啊 ？I'm not acting 就係我嗱字面啊，我唔係扮，我唔係做緊戲啦。OK，咁呢度嘅意思就係啲咩啊？就係、佢救狗係真心㗎啦。我救啲狗，我唔係扮出嚟，我真心救嘅。Two 就係 Who told you about the dogs？ 邊個話你聽？
Who
同狗
told
有
you
關嘅
about the
事。
dogs?
It's actually a great story. You're an animal lover. Could I pet the doggy? I could go grab him from your RV right now.
I won't even let you pick up the dog shit. Besides, you don't want a leash. You want these keys right here.
leash 啊，嗰啲狗鏈啊。
Look at your eyes dilate.
好啦，一見嗱，如果阿 Max 見到條鎖匙，佢講玩咁耐就係想要條鎖匙啫。而家阿 Max 見到條鎖匙嘅話，咁佢隻眼一定係點㗎？隻眼一定係發光啦，隻眼一定係咁發光就係好廣東話啫。咁發光其實個動作唔係真係發光啊嘛，你隻眼擘到好大啊嘛，係咪？咁擘大就係最尾嗰隻字啦。
Here. Look at your eyes dilate.
Dilate
You're worse than a junkie, Max. But no fix for you.
I'm afraid I'll have to take your keys now, asshole.
You did not just do that. Give me back my keys, bitch. Give me my keys now.
Key brought. Now back to Chloe.
啊，幾經辛苦，終於攞到嗰個鎖匙啦！
My work here is done here, Frank.
好，咁我哋今日咧，我哋就去到都夜啦，我哋去到呢一度停啦，都講咗差唔多成個鐘。我其實唔係好知今集係做緊啲咩啊！我有啲攞到啲線索咯，知道啲人物關係咯，即係知道就係 Rachel 同阿 Frank 可能係有啲嘢嘅，咁又知道就係、即係阿 Nathan 個家族咧就好大嘅，根本成個鎮都係佢玩晒嘅。甚至可以控制埋啲差佬添，咁係咁樣樣咯。攞條鎖匙又冇乜特別，即係我有少少唔係太中意就係咁樣透過一啲攞情報，跟住最尾攞到條鎖匙，我覺得係好牽強嘅，即係透過攞嗰啲情報而攞到條鎖匙呢一個橋段有啲牽強嘅。我對於呢一集我都覺得有啲麻麻地，真心。咁anyway 啦，我哋聽晚11點半我哋繼續啦。咁收睇我哋嘅方法就係夜晚11點半去我哋 Facebook 嗰度睇直播啦。重播咧就會upload 上 YouTube 㗎啦，但係就唔敢擔保幾時，因為咧我就唔係好想做呢個動作，因為好麻煩，因為要 download 條片落嚟啊，upload 成條影上去 YouTube 嗰度就好麻煩。咁我可能儲埋一次過咧2-3集先至 upload 啦。咁就係咁啦，好唔好？我哋下次再見啦，拜拜。聽晚見啦，拜拜，聽晚見，晚安，拜拜。